Do you know how to deal with the questions of algebra, especially related to the complex numbers, analysis and approaches high level? So in this question, we have to find the possible values of a if given that a is in the roots of the expression a plus b iota and b plus a iota. This is a quartic equation where z is a complex number. Okay, and it says that we if it is one root, the another one will be conjugate, right? And same here. Okay, and now we know that the sum of the roots is equal to, we can use the formula, right? So z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 is equal to minus 1 in power 4, right? In power 4, and 4 divided by 1. Okay, so it is simply 4, right? Okay, and now let's add up together all these roots. A minus b iota plus b plus a iota plus b minus a iota equals to 4. Now it give us the first equation, yeah, with two unknowns. 2a plus 2b is equal to 4. So that's why a plus b is equal to 2. This is the first equation. Now we should have another equation. How to get the another equation? Another equation we will obtain if we will multiply the roots. So product of the roots is equal to this value, 400 divided by 1, right? So a plus b iota times a minus b iota times b plus a iota, b minus a iota. So it is 400. Okay, now this gives us a squared minus b iota squared. Yeah, and here b squared minus a iota squared. So it is a squared plus b squared, and here b squared plus a squared equals to 400, right? Okay, it is possible. Yeah, so actually it is possible if a squared plus b squared is equal to 20, right? Hope it is clear. And now we have a system of two unknowns and two equations. 2 and a squared plus b squared is equal to 20. Now let's solve this system of equations. What we can do, we can use substitution approach. Yeah, let's express b is 2 minus a, and a squared plus 2a squared equals to 20. A squared plus 4 minus 4a plus a squared is equal to 20. Then 2a squared minus 4a plus how much? Minus 16. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Let's divide everything by 2. So a squared minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. And now we have two possible values, yeah? A plus 2. So it is a is equal to 4 and a equals to negative 2. And then in the question it says find possible values of a. And a could be any positive number, right? So that's why these two roots are appropriate. And that's why we can find b then. So b is equal to 2 minus a, 2 minus 4. So it is negative 2. And if a is equal to negative 2, then 2 minus 2, it is 4. So it's actually our solutions is this pair. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. Okay, and the question actually says find the possible values of a only, right? That is why we just write a is equal to 4 and a is equal to negative 2. That is it. Write your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer and help you guys with analysis and approaches high-level mathematics. Goodbye and see you in the next video.